Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O. Today's video I'll be making watermelon body wash. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, on this YouTube channel I discuss a lot about how to make elder meal, how to make elder drink, how to do different DIY life hack, beauty hack, and also how to do home decoration and budget. But for today's video I'll be making watermelon body wash. And to make this watermelon body wash, I'll be using a couple of ingredients. And the main ingredient I'll be using for today's body wash is watermelon. So you want to get a medium-sized watermelon. And also, I'll be making use of some lemon. I'll be adding lemon and the lemon zest. And also, I'll be adding aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good. If you want your body to glow, aloe vera is the way to go. And lastly, what I'll be using Nivea body wash. You can use any body wash of your choice. You can actually use grated bar soap, but I'll be using Nivea to make this watermelon body wash. So please relax, sit back, and let's enjoy today's video together. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to fill my pot with water. I'll be using a double boiler pot to make this watermelon body wash. So I'll just go ahead and put this on. And I'm going to cover up this water just to make sure the water boils before I put my boiler. I'll be using this pan. I'll put all the ingredients in this pan and I'll dip it in the boiled water to make this watermelon body wash. But now while that is going on, the next thing I'm going to do now is to blend all my ingredients. So I'll be blending the watermelon with the aloe vera and also with the lime. If you have honey, you can add honey. Honey is also very good for the skin. So I'll be blending all these ingredients, and by that time, my water will be done. Then we'll keep going. Let's dive in. Please relax, sit back, and let's enjoy today's video together. Watermelon, lemon zest, lemon, cut aloe vera, the aloe vera, I have the aloe vera in here. The lemon zest, lemon, the watermelon, in here I have aloe vera juice, I have the lemon zest, I have the lemon, I have the watermelon. The double boiler. You have your soap, your liquid soap. Add in the second butter. Stir. Stir for 10 minutes. This I put in the double boiler water. This is how to make your watermelon body wash. Here is the watermelon body wash. The next thing I'm going to do now is to cool this down for like 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm going to dip this in a bowl of ice so that this will cool down. So here's the watermelon body wash. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye for now.